Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Smartsheet templates. Templates are pre-built frameworks that help you get started quickly with project tracking, task management, and team collaboration without having to build everything from scratch. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Smartsheet homepage where all your sheets and workspaces are displayed. Now, on the left side of your homepage, you'll see several options. Go ahead and click on Create. This button is your gateway to starting new projects, sheets, or in our case, accessing the template library. It's designed to give you quick access to everything you need to build out your workspace. After clicking Create, select View All Templates from the menu that appears. This will open up Smartsheet's entire template library, which is organized into different categories to help you find exactly what you need. You'll notice that templates are labeled based on their complexity and features, so let me walk you through what each of these labels means. First, you'll see templates marked as low complexity. These are simple and straightforward templates that require minimal planning. They typically involve few dependencies and are perfect for small teams or quick projects. If you're working on routine tasks or need a fast solution, these templates are your go-to option. Next, there are medium complexity templates. These involve a bit more planning than the low complexity ones. They usually have multiple steps, some dependencies, and may require coordination between different teams. Medium complexity templates are ideal when your project needs a moderate amount of time and resources, but isn't overly complicated. Then you have high complexity templates. These are designed for complicated or critical projects. They often involve multiple teams, significant dependencies, and complex workflows. If you're managing a large-scale project that requires careful planning, detailed tracking, and careful resource management, these high-complexity templates will give you the structure you need. You'll also notice some templates are labeled Works with Dynamic View. This means the template can integrate with Smartsheet's Dynamic View feature, which allows you to create filtered, role-based views of your sheet. Different users will see only the rows or columns they're supposed to work on, which improves focus and keeps sensitive information secure. Some templates will say Works with Resource Management. These support Smartsheet's resource management features, letting you assign tasks to team members and track their workload, availability, and allocation. This is incredibly useful for preventing team members from being over-allocated and ensuring your resources are distributed efficiently. Finally, templates marked Works with Calendar app integrate directly with Smartsheet's Calendar app. Any dates from your sheet, like start dates, end dates, or due dates, will automatically appear in a calendar view. This makes it much easier to visualize your project timeline, track deadlines, and monitor upcoming milestones at a glance. Once you understand these labels, simply browse through the categories, select the template that matches your project needs, and click on it to start using it. Smartsheet will create a copy of the template in your workspace, and you can immediately begin customizing it with your own data and team members. And there you have it. You now know how to navigate Smartsheet's template library and choose the right template based on complexity and features. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.